Hello. In this short video, I will discuss topic of the bootstraps, collapse, or the accordion behavior. How to control the behavior of keeping the panes of your collapse or the accordion open or close at the same time. The default behavior usually we see in accordions is that when you open one section of the accordion, the other ones close. That is okay for most of the cases, but you may have a situation where you may want to keep some of these panes open at the same time, because while you are viewing the information, the other panes, or filling the information in the other panes, you do want to take a look at the information that may be present in the other ones. So in this example, I have a page where I have an accordion with two sections, general information and pictures. Currently, they are in the closed state. Let's look at the HTML behind it. If you look at, so I have the Chrome's DevTools open. If you look at it, here is the main section, main div with a class of accordion and an ID of asset details collapse. So as I am hovering on this in the DevTools, you can see that the section is highlighted in the page itself. Accordion, two cards which control. So let's see what the current behavior looks like. So at the moment, both sections are closed. So I open the general information. So you can see the pictures is still closed. Now I'm going to click on pictures. You can see the default behavior that as soon as I open pictures, the general information section closed. So now if I want to keep both sections open at the same time, what do I have to do? If you look at the documentation of the collapse and Bootstrap, it talks about a ID or a data parent attribute which is associated with the parent ID of the accordion. In this case, you can see the parent ID is asset details collapse, and when I open a card, you see that right under the card header, the div, it has a attribute called data parent, asset details collapse, that is associated with the parent. I open the second card, same thing, there is a data parent. What this attribute does is, this is the one that controls the behavior which decides if the sections will stay closed or open when individually. So now what do you have to do to keep the sections open? You will delete the value of this attribute from both sections. Either you can just keep it empty, or you can just completely delete the attribute itself. And there we go. Now let's see what the behavior looks like. I open general information and I have the pictures open. So now you can see, just by manipulating the data parent attribute, you can just control the behavior that if the panes in the accordion will stay open or closed. So pretty straightforward, very simple. I hope this helps you in your projects. Thank you for watching.